Welcome to LinguaWire English A2. Today, we have two stories: dangerous heat in Europe and earthquake rescues in Venezuela. Please follow the podcast so you can practice every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and comprehension quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. Our first story is from Europe. Sarah is our LinguaWire health and climate correspondent.
Hello, Daniel. Europe is facing extreme and dangerous heat.
Sarah, what is the latest?
The head of the World Health Organization says more than 1,300 extra deaths may be linked to high temperatures in Europe.
That is a very serious number. What happened over the weekend?
More temperature records were broken on Sunday in several countries.
Which countries saw new records?
Germany reached a record 41.7 degrees Celsius. Poland recorded 40.5 degrees Celsius.
And the heat is moving across Europe, right?
Yes, the heat wave has been moving east across the continent.
The WHO used the words extra deaths. What does that mean here?
It means more people died than would normally be expected at this time.
Do we know where many of these deaths happened?
In France, the health ministry said there were around 1,000 more deaths than expected since Wednesday.
Who seems to be most at risk?
Many of the people who died were aged 65 or over.
The WHO chief called heat a silent killer. Why?
Because heat can harm people quietly. A person may become very ill before others notice.
What did he say about buildings in Europe?
He said homes, workplaces and schools were not built for temperatures like these.
How is daily life being affected?
He said millions of people are living under extreme heat. Some schools are shut and power systems are under pressure.
Is Europe warming faster than other places?
According to the WHO chief, Europe is warming twice as fast as the world average.
Do experts know the exact number of deaths caused by the heat?
Not exactly. They say the deaths are linked to the high temperatures, but heat deaths can be hard to count.
What is the concern now?
The heat is still dangerous, especially for older people and for people in buildings that cannot stay cool.
Our second story is from Venezuela. Adam is our LinguaWire disaster response correspondent.
Hello, Daniel. Rescue teams are still searching after two strong earthquakes.
Adam, what is the latest news there?
Officials say 33 people were pulled alive from debris over the weekend.
And 2 boys were among them.
Yes. 2 11-year-old boys were rescued from collapsed buildings on Sunday.
What do we know about one of the boys?
One boy is named Moises. He was trapped under heavy rubble for days.
That is hopeful news. But what is the bigger picture?
The situation is still very serious. Tens of thousands of people are still missing.
How many people have died, according to officials?
As of Sunday, at least 1,450 people had been killed.
Why does time matter so much now?
Aid agencies say the first 48 to 72 hours after a disaster are very important for finding people alive.
And families are still waiting for news?
Yes. Relatives of missing people faced a 5th night waiting for news of their loved ones.
What happened during the earthquakes?
2 quakes hit on Wednesday. They measured 7.2 and 7.5.
Did they happen close together?
Yes. Officials say they struck within 39 seconds of each other.
What kind of damage did they cause?
Almost 800 buildings collapsed and many people were trapped inside.
How are some families trying to help?
Some families are digging through the debris by hand, trying to find loved ones.
Why is that so difficult?
Some people told the BBC they can hear people under the rubble, but the concrete is too heavy to move.
What do they need?
They are waiting for heavy machinery, which can lift large pieces of concrete.
Who gave the number of 33 rescues?
Interim President Delcy Rodriguez said 33 people were rescued alive over the weekend.
What may happen next?
Officials say the search is not over, but hopes of finding more survivors are fading by the hour.
Language recap. Part 1. 3 words from the earthquake story. The theme is search and rescue after a disaster. First, trapped. Trapped means unable to get out of a place. In the story, many people were trapped inside collapsed buildings. Example, the cat was trapped in the garage. Second, missing. Missing means that people do not know where someone is. In the story, tens of thousands of people are still missing. Example, after the storm, 2 people were missing. Third, survivors. Survivors are people who live through danger. In the story, rescue teams were searching for survivors. Example, the survivors needed water and a safe place. Part 2. The verb to collapse. To collapse means to fall down suddenly, often because something is weak or damaged. It is a regular verb. Say, collapse, collapses, collapsed. Example 1. The roof collapsed during the storm. Example 2. Old buildings can collapse after a strong earthquake. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.